Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, speed cameras are being discussed a lot here in Ontario because many cities like Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga and all have them installed, and it automatically issues ticket if you cross the speed limit. While many people are happy about it because that means drivers are getting lesson, a lot of drivers are not happy for various reasons, and a lot of questions have been raised that where this money is going and similar. So I don't want to get into those, but I'm going to discuss my opinion that if they are correct or whether any exception should be given. So guys, in my opinion, they are absolutely correct. No exception should be given. But yes, warning has to be in place. Like for what I would do, first infraction for any driver, I would issue a warning. Okay, if I am the decision maker. Second, I would issue a penalty. Okay. Third, I will issue more penalty, like that. Of course, there will be a maximum limit. It should not be unlimited with every, and certain things like number of tickets issued within a time frame or within a month or so. Those things can be implemented, but in my opinion, they are really good because that really is helping residents, those who live nearby, especially kids, because it's summer season and because schools are closed, so kids are on streets having fun, playing all day. So it's matter of safety too, definitely, because I have seen many people driving above the speed limit. So that should be enforced. I'm totally in favor of this, that yeah, penalty should be given because that is gonna make them understand the consequences of what they are doing, and that's going to correct the behavior. For example, if somebody is driving 60 at a zone where 40 is allowed, that means is going half above the speed limit, and in case of a collision, the result could be disastrous. If a collision happens at 40 kilometer, the chances of being less catastrophic are much more than if the same thing happens when the speed is 60. So I totally support this, and I believe they should stay, and they should like spread all over Canada. So let me know guys what you feel about it, whether we should have such speed limits or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.